So one thing I have always loved about wigs is the ability to change it up whenever and however I want to. Today we have a new wig from LuvMe Hair. I'm going to be trying it on for you and showing you how quickly and easily you can go from a natural black to a full blonde. Okay. Now, let's get ready for the magic. So, LuvMe Hair always does an amazing job with their packaging and the goodies. You guys have seen me showcase their wigs here on this channel for quite a while now. Most of the stuff is standard. You do get a mesh storage bag to store your wig and keep it nice. They often will give you a bunch of branded stuff, a edge brush, we got a hair clip, and this custom rat tail comb. They do give you a set of HD wig caps in case you don't have any. And they also include this really cute user guide and info card to teach you how to properly take care of your wigs. So here is the wig we're going to be trying on today from LuvMe Hair. Look at that color. Now imagine how long it would take for me to go to the salon and ask for this hairstyle with my real hair. I'd be in there for hours. Now, this wig is 100% glueless. It does come with several combs. There are 2 combs here in the front. There is 1 additional comb here in the back. This wig also comes with adjustable straps in the back. It also comes with a very stretchy, very flexible cap. Very breathable. This is going to be a wig great for the summer, but it's also all season because this color definitely screams fall. And this wig comes with HD lace. It's very soft. It is a minimal part though. The parting is only right here on the left-hand side and a little bit towards the perimeter. It does come pre-plucked and pre-bleached. You can see that those knots there are pretty invisible. So again, this wig comes pre-parted on the left-hand side and it does have that minimal lace, which is very beneficial if you do not like having to constantly style and restyle your wigs. It also has some slots here to add an additional elastic band that also came in the packaging. So I'm going to go ahead and handle this situation, get her all right, so we can go ahead and try her on. By the way, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Victoria. I do make content centered around personal growth, leveling up, and becoming your best self. I like to focus on not just the outer, but also the inner. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, definitely go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button so that you can see more content like this. And now that the base is all secured, let's go ahead and try this wig on straight out of the box. Would you look at that? In less than 60 seconds, I am a whole new woman. Now, I am of a slightly darker complexion. As you can see, I'm a little brown skin. The lace actually blends very well like this. When I step back into my overhead lights, you can kind of see it. So what I'm going to do is add just a little bit of bronzer to the top of my lace to help that blend it better. And this is something you can do with pretty much any makeup product that you have. I'm just using bronzer because it's what I have on hand right now. I'm gonna try to keep it simple. But look at how that lace just instantly disappeared. It doesn't matter what the lighting is. This is where I just applied it versus where I did not. Yeah. So again, this is how it looks straight out of the box. Now I have been playing with it a little bit with my fingers, so it is slowly getting bigger and bigger by the minute. But if you know me, you know I like big hair. So I'm gonna brush it out, but first I want you to get a full view of what it looks like straight out of the box. This is the back. This is the side. This is the other side. What do we think? I like it. It's kind of giving, Stella got her groove back. And like I mentioned earlier, this wig is 100% glueless. I am using all 3 combs. I'm using the combs at the front and the comb in the back. I did not have to adjust this wig. Normally I do because I do have a small head, but because my hair is not braided down, it's just in a ponytail right now. It's really filling up all that space. And also, this is a very flexible cap, so that's probably also helping. Over on the sides, there is this space over here to fit around your ears, so it's a lot more comfortable, which I love because I do wear glasses. Right now I'm wearing contacts, but on a regular basis, I do wear my prescription glasses. Again, and that's on both sides. And to show you that it is 100% glueless. Here we go. So yeah, that's the wig straight out of the box. Now I'm going to give into my impulses and I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to brush her out because I need to see what it looks like big. I think I have satisfied my impulse. Oh my goodness. She is gorgeous. Now, this is definitely a personal preference. I love big hair. If you don't like big hair, leave her as she was. But I love big hair. This is gorgeous. Now it's giving Diana. It's giving Tina Turner. It's giving 80s bombshell. I love it. The bigger she gets, the more I love it. Now, this is a curly wig, and so you can straighten it, you can recurl it. It's human hair. If I wet it, and I will show you in the video, if I wet it, it will go back to its original curl pattern, its original state, so you don't have to worry about that. But I love it big. But yeah, let me show you what happens if you were to brush it out and then you were to take it back to how it originally was. And this is just water. This is just water. And she goes right back to how she originally was. Can you see the difference? You can wear this wig, you can go big, you can go small, you can go straight, you can keep it wavy, you can make it curly, or whatever. And the key to getting it back in its original state is really to drench it and then let that water run through it. If it's still poofy in some areas, that's because it's still dry. It needs to be wet. So that's how you get it back to its original state. Eventually it'll dry down and it'll go back to looking exactly how it did straight out of the box. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I am loving this wig. Very simple, very easy. Again, took me from natural black to this gorgeous blonde and short, okay? In what, less than 5 minutes? You cannot get that at a salon, especially not without damaging your hair. If you are interested in purchasing this wig or checking out the direct link or learning more about it for yourself, I will have all of the information and the direct link down in the description box below. So go on there, check it out, look at the review, do what you need to do to feel comfortable before you make a purchase. If you do decide to purchase this wig, or if you're on the LuvMe Hair website and you see any of their other wigs that are interested in you, I do have a special coupon code with LuvMe Hair that you can use to save you some money off of your orders. You can use that coupon code as many times as you want, girl. Get all your coins. Save as much money as you can. And for full transparency, when you do use this coupon code, I do get a little bit of commission. That is how I am able to continue making videos like this here on this channel to show you all of these really cool and amazing wigs from LuvMe Hair. Now, with all of that being said, if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you are subscribed and that you hit the like button. That way, anytime I make new videos, YouTube will let you know. But that is all I have for you today. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. I love you. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.